Hi guys! In today's video I'm going to be showing you a technique for hooded eyes. This is to create the illusion of depth and dimension and a crease that is usually kind of covered up by old Droopy McDrooperson. So if you want to see how I went from this to this, just hang out. Hi! Today we're going to be using the Naked Ultimate Basics palette. If you don't have this, you should really get it. You should get it. Look at these colors! Okay, that's just for everybody. First things first, we need to lay down a base, and I recommend that you try to just match your skin tone. It's gonna help your other colors blend a little bit better because there's something there. I'm not an eye primer kind of a gal. You do you, okay? You do you. So I'm going to take this color Commando. This color Commando, haha! And I'm just lightly sweeping that all over the lid. So the problem with hooded eyes is the skin droops down over the lid. I have shown you this before. This side is even worse than the other side for me. And the problem that you get is that when you put colors in your crease or on your lid, you can't see them because it gets buried by this intruder. There's about a million different ways to address a hooded eye. I'm going to show you my favorite way. It's very simple and easy and pretty quick, so it's foolproof is what I'm getting at. So take your favorite pointed fluffy brush. Poopers! The numbers rubbed off. Crapola, man. It's a NYX something. Okay, so use your favorite. I'm just gonna use this NYX blending brush. I'm gonna go into this color Tempted. It's a gray tone. It's like the color of cement. I've talked about that before. And what you're gonna do is look directly into a mirror. You're gonna be my mirror today. Look directly into a mirror and tilt your head back a little bit. That's gonna show you where your crease is. And then you're going to put it just in your crease. When you lean back, you can really see it. Now see what happened? It's gone. You can't see it. Wah, wah, wah. While you're looking straight ahead, you are going to place the color where the crease should be, which really means it's a little bit higher than typical. You see the difference already? We have a deepness here that is not happening here. I'm going to go a little bit deeper. I'm going to grab this color Lockout. It's the deeper toned brown. Same brush. Lean back and you want to try to keep it higher. You should be able to see where the color is. There we go. Then you can tilt your head back forward. Then you're just gonna pull out the color to the side, kind of connecting it to the tail of your brow. You see? Do you see what I see? I'm gonna grab a little bit more of that color and I'm gonna sweep it along the bottom. And then you tap it in the outer corner just a little bit and kind of flick it towards the center. Like you flick it inward and upward. So it's drawing it out a little bit and creating a shadow that otherwise doesn't exist because your big dumb droopy eye is covering it up. So really the biggest tip I can give you is to look straight into a mirror when you do this. Just keep checking. You know, it's difficult because you can't, you can't work on your eye when it's open. You're gonna get stuff in your eye. It could hurt. But you just keep checking. Just keep checking. Look down into your mirror. Look back up. Check. How's it going? How's it going? How's that shadow look? Oh, you need to come a little higher? Come a little higher. You need to come out a little bit more? Come out a little bit more until it is giving you the shape that you want. Then what you can do is you can take a, just another shadow brush, wet it a little bit. Fix Plus, water, setting spray, any of that stuff will work. Then just kind of tap it onto a lighter shadow. We're going to use Below. And I'm going to just kind of lay it on the lid, no further than the center, and kind of bring it in. So don't go any further than the middle, but bring it to the inside. It's gonna bring a little highlight, and then you go back in with that blending brush, grab that color again, because you can still move it around. You can even pick up a little bit more if you need to. And just soften your edges. I mean, it's a very quick look. Ta-da! Then you can go in with any kind of liner that you want and lashes, and you'll really see what happens. So I'm back with liner and lashes, and you can really see what a difference that makes. I mean, aside from looking more dressed, there's definitely more depth going on in this eye than there is in old Droopy McDrooperson over here. Woo, okay, I look nuts because only one eye is done. Really what this comes down to is the shadow technique. So with a hooded eye, you need to bring the color, the deepness of your tones higher than you typically would. That's going to give you the illusion of a crease or shadow that otherwise is going to be hidden by a droopy, sad old eye. Thank you so much for hanging out today and for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, subscribe, follow me on all the socials. New videos come out every Thursday at noon Eastern Standard Time. And you know what? Thanks for hanging out. You guys are the best. Do you know that we're getting close to 2,000 subscribers? 2,000 people. What? Enough of that. I will see you in the next video. Bye! The more engagement we get on this video, the more I know that you give a crap and want to see other stuff. Do you remember when all of Elf's stuff was $1? I do. Guess what? It's not anymore. I look crazy. That was weird.